Hello friends, my name is Prathamesh Kate and today's technical topic that's name is control statement. Java control statement and another name is control flow statement in a Java. Java compiler execute the code from top to bottom. The statement in the code are executed according to the order to which they appears. Java provide their type of the controls. Java provided three type of control statement. First one, control flow statement. First one is a decision making statement. In the decision making statement, there are two statement. First one is a if else statement and second is a switch statement. And second is a looping statement. In the looping statement, first one is a do while loop, second one is a while loop, and the third is a for loop, and four is a for each loop, and third one is a jumping statement. In a jumping statement, first one is a break statement, and second one is a continue statement. So first we discuss decision making statement. As a as the name suggests, a decision making statement decided which statement to executed order when decision making statement evaluates the boolean expression and the control to the flow program flow depending upon the result of the condition performed. Uh, in the in the decision making statement, first one is a simple if statement, second if else statement, third if else if ladder statement, and fourth is a nested if statement, and and the second is a looping statement. In a programming, sometime we need to execute the block of code repeatedly while some condition to run. Uh, ho- However, loop statement are used. It executed the set of the instruction in the respected order. The execution of the set of introduction introduction depends upon a particular condition. First one is a for loop. In the Java, for loop is a symbol of C in C++ and Java. Enable to is enable to us to individual the loop variable, check the condition, and increment decrement in the single line of the code. We we we, we use the for loop only when we execute know the number of the item number one we want to execute the block of the code. Second is the for each loop. Java provide the execute Java provide enhanced for the loop to uh, traverse the data structure like array and selection. In the for each loop, we don't need to update the following variable. The system to use the for each loop in the Java is given below. Uh, Third one is the Java while loop. The while loop we also use to iterate over the number of element multiple time. However, we don't know the number of number of iteration on the order. It is the reminded to use the while loop. Uh, Unlike for loop, the in, the induction and increment decrement doesn't place place inside the loop statement in a while loop. Four is a do while loop. The do while loop checks the condition at the end of the loop after executing the loop statement. When the number of the iteration is not known, and when we have to execute the loop at last once we can use do while loop. Jump Third one is a jump statement. In the jump statement, first is a break. The break statement cannot be used independently in the Java program. That is, it can only be write inside the loop or switch statement. Second is a continue statement. Unlike break statement, the continue statement doesn't break the loop, where it is skipped the specific part of the loop and jump the not next iteration of the loop immediately. So this is the all conditional statement. Thank you.